Welcome to Feng-GUI dashboard. In the previous video we uploaded the web page image and defined few analysis options and created some areas of interest, and then we click analyze. And now after the analysis is over, the reports are being loaded into the dashboard, so we can go over the reports. So the first image is the original image. The second image is the Attention Heatmap Report. It displays the most attractive elements of the image for viewers in the forms of hot and cold spots. So it's creating so-called heat map. The report is displayed as color gradient overlay over the original image. And the heat map highlights areas which are likely to be receiving more attention within the first few seconds. And you can use the heat map report to visualize which elements attract the attention more than others. The Opacity Map Report, it tones down information that is not attractive and visually displays what your viewer may perceive during the first few seconds of visual inspection. So it's sort of an inverse of the heat map report. Use the opacity report to emphasize which areas are being perceived and which areas are being ignored. The gaze path or gaze plot report visualizes the scan path and the order between elements inside the image. It displays movement sequence, order, and duration of gaze fixation. The report is made of series of short stops, also called fixations, and fast movements of an eye, also called saccades. Use this gaze plot report to visualize and demonstrate the fixation order and the predicted gaze path. The area of interest report reveals a score of the predicted probability that a person will look at the area, along with details of diagnostics to show why this region is likely to get attention. So you can get more details about this area at this table below. So here are the areas of interest that we created and the visibility score, and more information that is also appears in traditional eye tracking, like time to first fixation, fixation length. And we've also added more details about the ingredients of the visibility score and what are the visual primitives that combines these scores. And this is the powerful area because you can use these values to understand how to improve or how to even reduce the attention towards this area. So in example, the tagline here has only 11% intensity, so if we will increase the intensity, we will eventually improve the visibility score of this area. So you can use the areas of interest report to as well compare variation of another design and compare areas from one design to another variation. And the last report is the aesthetic report. So we've created this report using based on several large-scale studies with million ratings of visual appeal collected from nearly 10,000 participants. And we've developed a computational model that accurately measures the perceived visual complexity, which we call clear or clarity, and the exciteness, and also the harmony and the visual balance of this image. More about reports you may find in the help section of the dashboard.